today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your WooCommerce checkout page in just a few simple steps. Customizing this page can improve the buyer's experience and make your store look more professional and on brand. Start by navigating to pages in your WordPress dashboard and opening the checkout page. By default, this page uses a WooCommerce shortcode as a placeholder for the checkout form. We're going to replace it with a more customizable block. Remove the existing shortcode to clear the way for the new setup. Next, open the block inserter by clicking the plus icon in the editor. Search for the checkout block and add it to your page. This block gives you much more control over your checkout layout and functionality. Once added, you can customize sections like billing, shipping, payment, and privacy. Use the block sidebar to rearrange fields, add new ones, or disable sections that aren't necessary. You can also tweak colors, align text, and even add tooltips to make the process smoother for your customers. Focusing on user experience here can help reduce cart abandonment and make the checkout flow intuitive. After finishing your edits, preview your changes to make sure everything looks perfect. Then click Update or Publish to save your work. Brendan Watt. And that's it. With these steps, you now have a fully personalized WooCommerce checkout page that's both functional and visually appealing.